Car snow chains improve tire traction, prevent slipping, and ensure safe winter driving on snow. My today's video is about top 5 best car snow chains that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Artizles car snow chains. These car snow chains are a practical and reliable solution for safe winter driving. One of the standout features is the quick install buckle system, which allows installation or removal in just about 1 minute. This makes them especially useful in emergency situations or sudden weather changes. The build quality is also impressive. Made from premium manganese steel alloy, the chains feel strong and durable while being designed to avoid damaging the tires. This balance between toughness and tire safety adds extra confidence during use. The diamond pattern design is another highlight, offering excellent traction and a smoother driving experience. They perform well not only on snow, but also on ice, mud, and even sandy roads, making them versatile for different conditions. With multiple size options available, users can choose the correct fit for their tires easily. Overall, these snow chains deliver fast installation, strong durability, and dependable grip for safer driving in harsh road conditions. Now our second product is Auveby car snow chains. These snow chains are a highly practical and reliable choice for winter and off-road driving conditions. The biggest advantage is the effortless 1-minute installation, which requires no vehicle movement, making it extremely convenient during emergencies or sudden weather changes. The auto-fixing device is another impressive feature, allowing a click-and-go experience without the need for rubber tighteners or repeated adjustments after installation. This saves time and ensures a more secure driving experience throughout the journey. Built from thick alloy manganese steel, the chains provide excellent durability and strong traction on snow, ice, mud, and sand, greatly improving safety and vehicle control in harsh conditions. Maintenance is also simple, just rinse after use and dry in the sun. The included storage box makes it easy to keep everything organized in the car. The package is well thought out, including gloves, replacement buckles, and a user guide. Overall, these snow chains deliver convenience, strength, and dependable winter performance. Our third product is Auveby car snow chains. These heavy-duty snow chains are clearly designed with off-road pickup trucks and SUVs in mind, delivering strong and dependable performance for demanding expeditions. They feel built for serious use rather than light winter driving, giving confidence on snow, mud, sand, and icy terrain. Installation is impressively quick, taking about 1 minute without needing to move the vehicle. The auto-fixing click-and-go system is especially convenient, removing the hassle of rubber tighteners and eliminating the need for repeated adjustments during the drive. Durability is a major highlight. Constructed from thick manganese steel with a 4.5 mm chain diameter and 16 mm tread height, they provide excellent grip and traction in harsh conditions. This design significantly improves safety and vehicle control in extreme environments. After use, cleaning is simple, just rinse and dry in the sun. The included storage box makes it easy to keep organized in the vehicle. Overall, these chains offer strength, convenience, and reliable off-road winter performance. Now number 4, Scitoo car snow chains. These snow chains are a strong and reliable solution for driving in extreme road conditions. Made from thick alloy manganese steel, they provide excellent traction and grip, making them highly effective on snow, ice, mud, and sand. The build quality feels durable and designed for long-term safety in harsh environments. One of the best features is the 1-minute quick installation system, which allows you to fit or remove the chains easily without moving the vehicle. This is especially useful during emergencies or sudden weather changes. The auto-fixing device with self-tightening ratchets ensures the chain stays centered and secure throughout the drive, reducing the need for manual adjustments. The added mechanical tensioners improve braking performance and enhance anti-slip control, giving more stability on icy roads. These chains are compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including cars, SUVs, pickups, and light trucks, with multiple tire width options. Overall, they deliver safety, convenience, and dependable winter performance with a recommended speed limit of 40 km/h. And our last choice is Artizles car snow chains. These snow chains offer a practical and dependable solution for winter driving conditions. The quick install buckle system makes installation and removal extremely easy, taking about 1 minute, which is especially helpful during emergencies or sudden weather changes. The auto-tightening system is another strong advantage, as it keeps the chains securely fitted without the need to stop and readjust, ensuring a hassle-free driving experience. Built from high-quality manganese steel alloy, these chains feel durable and long-lasting, with an impressive tested mileage of over 1,000 kilometers. Which adds confidence in their reliability. The knurled chain design ensures a firm grip on the tire, improving traction while maintaining a smoother driving feel without causing damage to the tires or vehicle body. With a universal fit across multiple tire sizes, they are suitable for a wide range of vehicles, as long as the correct model is selected. Overall, these snow chains deliver safety, strength, and convenience for winter road performance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.